Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create an account in Rakuten. First of all, tap open your Rakuten app. Rakuten is a third largest e-commerce platform in Japan which started in 1997. So after that, you'll be in a page interface something like this. You can see account on the right lower corner, tap on that. After that, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. You can see a join now button, email and password, or you can continue with your Apple ID, Facebook or Google. You have to type down your email. After that, iPhone will suggest you a strong password. If you want to type in your own password, tap on other options. After typing in your password, we're almost done. You have to tap on join now. After that, a menu like this will pop up and you can turn on notifications if you want to. Then we're done. We've already created a Rakuten account. So that was it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.